Hi friends, welcome to Age Automation. Okay, so in last videos and previous videos we have seen about the how to install your Eclipse, okay, the setup things, and we have seen about some brief history about the Selenium, its component and all that in session 2 part 1. Okay, so this is the part number 2 of session 2, and in this we will be looking at how to create the Selenium Java project. Okay, and in that project we are going to open Chrome and Firefox browsers. Okay, we are going to see how we can open with the Selenium script, and then we will see how to create a Selenium Maven project, and after that you will understand that why it makes a Maven project is an ideal option, okay, while creating a Selenium framework, okay, over the Java project. So there are so many advantages of the Maven. So at the end of video you will see the difference, and you will understand that okay, while creating any automation framework, most of the companies they will use the Maven, okay, while creating the project. Okay, so let's start with this session. First we are going to see how we can create a Java project in Eclipse. Okay, so I hope you have downloaded the Eclipse, okay, and everything, the setting that we have seen is done. So let's now just go and open the Eclipse. Okay, so this is the version we have downloaded. Okay, so it will load the workbench. Okay, okay, so this part, okay, this is the window, and on right hand side this is the your editor where we are going to write our code. Okay, and on left hand side you will see the projects. Whenever you create any Java project or Selenium Maven project, you will see whatever folders and classes, packages on the left hand side. Okay, so let's go and create one Java project. For that, go to file, new, okay, you can see here the Java project. Click on that. Let's give the name as it is a Selenium underscore Java. Okay, we are going to create a Java Selenium project, so that's the name we are given. And here it has by default it is taken the JRE version 1.8. okay, we have a couple of more options to select the JRE version. Okay, so as of now we will stick to the 1.8 version, and just click on next. Okay, so it is showing in source. You will see this source folder will be created, and in libraries tab you can see the JRE library 1.8 is already by default it is linked to this our project. Okay, so let's just click on finish. Okay, so as I said, on left hand side it has created one Java project with this Selenium Java name, and you can see here the J icon, which means that this is a Java project. I just expand it, so you can see first thing here is JRE library that we have already got the included by Eclipse. There are some jar files which will be required, for running your Java code. Okay, and this is the source folder. Okay, so source folder, guys, this is the folder where we are going to add our package and classes. Everything will be added in this folder. Source folder means it contains the source code. Okay, so let's, for adding any class, it's always add it under a package. Okay, so just add a package. For that, right click on that source folder, go to new, go to package. Okay, so here we have to give a package name. So by default, by convention, package name should always start with the small letter, okay, small alphabet. So let's give Java project, finish. Okay, so you can see package is included. So now just we will add one class in that package. Okay, so what we are going to see is we have added package, and we are going to see how you can invoke a particular browser using the Selenium script. Okay, so let's see, class name we will start with the open. Okay, so uppercase letter, you can start the class name with uppercase letter, and if you are using any separate word in that, also that start with the uppercase. Okay, it's a good practice, and we are going to run that code, so we will include the main method. Okay, so just click on finish. Okay, so on right hand side we have one package, that whatever name you have given, Java project. Inside it we have a class. Okay, so class, you can see that public is access specifier for this class, and after the class word we have given this class name. So compile over C, first it will see a class, inside it will look for the main method. Okay, so this will be the entry point of our code. Okay, while running it will first see where is the main method, and it will start executing the code inside the main method. Okay, so this is the class body, you can say. Between these two parentheses, whatever you will write, will be the main method body. So this is already this is the comment. Actually, when you add any project, you can add a comment inside it, by giving it 2 lines or a single line comment. Okay, and for multi-line, let's say star. Okay, so this will be the multi-line comment. Okay, so you may have one or more lines, so it will not fit in a single line, so we will use multi-line comment. So all these lines, okay, when running this code, okay, it will be skipped, it will not be run by the JVM. Okay, so just I give the idea about the comment as well. So now for opening the Chrome browser, so I have already said that WebDriver is an interface, right? Okay, so it is an interface. Okay, and all the methods inside this interface are implemented by third-party browsers. Okay, so if you want to interact with different browsers like Chrome, let's say, and Firefox, okay, we have these two browsers on our machine. Okay, so we cannot directly interact with them, okay, using our Selenium script. We have to download the drivers, okay, the middle layer. This I already told in okay. So for interacting with the Chrome browser, you will have to download the Chrome driver. Okay, and for Firefox, have to download the Firefox Driver. Okay, then only our Selenium script can interact with the actual Chrome browser, and it can automate the web actions. Okay, so where you can download these drivers? You can download it from the Selenium HQ website, from the download section. Okay, let's go directly to a Selenium HQ. Okay, so this is the official website of the Selenium, where you can find the download tab. Okay, whatever Selenium, okay, the type of browser it supports, it has given its drivers. Okay, these are not developed by the Selenium, they are developed by the third-party vendors. Okay, so you can see here, for Firefox we have Mozilla Gecko driver, for Chrome we have Chrome driver, for Opera, Microsoft Edge, Ghost, HTML Unit, Safari, Windows Phone. Okay, so whatever browser you need to automate, you need to first download the driver of that browser. Okay, so currently in this video we will going to see how to open Chrome driver and Gecko driver. So just click on latest. Let's go and download our driver. Okay, so here they have given that if you are using a Chrome version 76, you have to download this version, or if you are using 75, you have to download 75 version, 74, 73. So what is your Chrome version? How to find it? Just go to this four dots. Okay, three dots, and go to help, go to about Google Chrome. Okay, so here you can see it's a 75 version. Okay, so let's download the 75. For 75 we have to download this Chrome driver 75 version. So just click on that. Okay, so it will ask you Mac, Linux or Windows. Click on Windows as of now. Okay, so it will download one zip file. Okay, you need to extract that zip file, that will be the exe file. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. Okay, I have already downloaded both the drivers. Let's go and download Firefox Gecko driver as well. Okay, again come to the download and click on latest. Okay, so here we have different versions they have given. Some issues they have fixed in this version, so let's go and download this yes, Windows 64 version. Okay, so just click on that. Okay, so here also it will get downloaded. So I have already downloaded it. Okay, you need to unzip to a specific folder, both the drivers in same folder. Okay, so I have downloaded and I have unzip that in on desktop in driver folder. Okay, so we have both the exe files present here. Okay, properties, it is an exe, okay, executable. Okay, so we have downloaded the drivers which are required. So let's go. For opening a specific browser, you need to write 2 lines. Okay, these are system, you need to set some properties first. System dot set property. Here you have to write WebDriver dot, for Chrome you have to write Chrome dot driver, and second argument, it will need the path of your Chrome driver executable file. So we have that file in this desktop drivers folder. So just press shift button and right click, you will get this copy as path. Okay, copy as path, and go to Eclipse and paste it. Okay, so just let's remove this unwanted extra. Okay, we do not need this as well. Okay, so you can see here, this is the system.set property we have given WebDriver.Chrome.driver, and this is the path of that executable file. Okay, so next statement, okay, to open Chrome browser. Okay, so next we have to create a object of interface, WebDriver interface. Okay, then only we can use the methods which are there in that interface. So you need to create one reference to that interface, the object of the class that is implementing that interface. So I'm going to cover this in our Java sessions, what is the interface and parent class inheritance concept. So as of now, just remember, for opening browser, you have to write WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, so basically WebDriver, as I said, it is an interface. Okay, and these are the class who is implementing these methods which are present in the WebDriver. So basically interface is an thing, okay, where all the methods present in that interface are abstract one. Okay, they do not have any method body, they have only declarations. So all the definitions, okay, the code has to be written by the implementation classes. So here this is an interface, this is an we will see in detail in our Java sessions what is an interface, and we will relate again that time that why we created these things driver. So basically what we are doing is we are creating an object with reference to this interface. Okay, we are creating the object of Chrome driver class, okay, and its reference is pointing to WebDriver. Okay, so whatever methods are there in this WebDriver interface, okay, now you can use in your Selenium script. Okay, so now you can see it is showing some error. Okay, WebDriver cannot be resolved to a type. Okay, so this is showing some error because this Java project don't know about this WebDriver keyword or Chrome driver keyword, because these are for the Selenium, and we have not added any jar file related to Selenium in our project. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to download the jar files for that Selenium. Okay, and you need to import, you need to link those jar files to your Java project, and then we can import this WebDriver and Chrome driver. So let's go and download first the jar files. So again Selenium, again same website. Go to download section. Okay, so just scroll down here. So you can see here Selenium client and WebDriver language binding. Okay, so if you want your Eclipse, okay, to identify the Selenium script, you need to download this Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. Okay, these are the jar files, and you will include those in your Java project. So currently we are going to see the Selenium with Java language. So for that, the current version, okay, this is the latest version, 3.141.59. okay, and also for the other languages like C#, Ruby, Python, JavaScript. Okay, so let's download the Java bindings. Click on download. Okay, so it will download one zip file, okay, where all the jar files will be available. So I think I have already downloaded it in my machine. Okay, so these are already downloaded, and unzip that into this folder, Selenium Java. Okay, so if you go to that folder, you can see here these are the executable jar files, these two. And if you go to libs folder, you can see a couple of more jar files. So what you have to do is you need to import, you need to add these jar files to your Java project, so that it will identify this is a Selenium script. Okay, so currently it is not identifying. So for adding your jar files, right click on the project name. Okay, go to properties. Okay, just expand this. Okay, so on left hand side you can see Java build path. Click on that. So you can see here, this is the GRE library. It is by default added by the Eclipse. Okay, so we have to include the Selenium library files as well. Okay, so just click on add external jars. Okay, and go to your where you have extracted your this Selenium Java folder. Okay, go to that folder. First include these two jar files, select these two and click on open. Okay, again click on add external jars, go to libs folder. So you have another 5 jars, select all, click on open. Okay, so total 7 jar files we have added here, 7 to 8 something. So click on apply. Okay, so on right hand side you can see one folder is created. Okay, so click on apply and close. Okay, so just expand that. You can see all the jar files are added, and they are added under your Java project. Now hopefully WebDriver and Chrome driver, it will be identified by Eclipse. Let's see. Yeah, now it is giving some quick fix. So it is giving import WebDriver from org.openqa.selenium. Okay, so this is the package where this WebDriver interface, okay, it is present. So all you have to do is just click on import. So Eclipse now imported, okay, and this is present in the jar files. Okay, it will contain all these methods, classes. Similarly for Chrome driver, you need to import Chrome driver. Okay, it is coming from this. Okay, so you can see now error has gone. Okay, you can see here it is coming from this package, and Chrome driver is coming from this Chrome driver. Okay, so we have created one object, and using that object we can use the methods present in the WebDriver interface as well as in Chrome driver. Okay, so using the dot operator you can call the methods present. So you can see here a couple of so many methods are there: close, equal to, find element, get current URL. Okay, all these are the WebDriver methods. So for opening any link, okay, you are going to open any URL, you need to use driver.get. okay, and it is expecting string argument. Let's click on get, and you have to give one string argument. So string argument can be any website. Let's see, we are going to see in Selenium HQ.org website. Okay, so what it will do, this script, it will first look for this. Okay, Chrome driver exe is already included, this is the path. Okay, it will invoke that Chrome browser and it will go to this URL. Okay, so let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so to run your Java project, you have two options. Just right click on this editor itself, go to run as and run a Java application, or you have in top window or top tool window, you can have run here also, you can say run as, or you can directly run. Okay, so let's run this. Let's see if browser is opening or not. Okay, so it has invoked the Chrome browser. Okay, and it has opened the Selenium HQ.org website. Okay, simple. Okay, once you do some practice with this, okay, these two lines are very important. Okay, getting started with your Selenium script. Okay, in any framework you have to write these two lines. If you are going to run your script on Chrome browser, add these two lines. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see some more methods. Get current URL. Let's see, we can verify. Okay, what URL? Okay, after opening the browser and go to this URL, if it is correct or not. Okay, so let's print this. Okay, so this is the method and it will return you the URL string, whatever the current URL will be. So we will write it inside the system.out.println. Okay, so it will print this, whatever the return text of this method, it will print on the console. Let's run again. Okay, another Chrome window has opened. Okay, so it went to Selenium HQ.org and let's see if we get the, okay, perfect, it has given us the current URL link, so it is correct, it's working fine. So you can see every time I am opening my screen, it is opening a separate browser window. Okay, so if you are running, if you have to test some 50 lines, okay, and every time you are opening a same browser, okay, it's hard to close all these windows. So to close the Chrome window, okay, after your testing is done, okay, script is run, so at the end we can close that Chrome browser, so using chrome.close. so this will close the current window only. Okay, let's see, currently we have two windows open already, so it will open third window. Okay, let's run again. After running, it will automatically close that window. Okay, as you see, it has closed. This only two windows are open. So let's see, instead of close, we have another WebDriver method, that is driver.quite. Okay, so this is the method. So let's see, let's run now and let's see the difference. Okay, so in that test, whatever Chrome windows were open, okay, let's say 1 or 2 or 3, it will close all those windows. Okay, so similarly we can, let's see how we can open the Firefox browser. So for Firefox browser as well, you need to write this system dot set properties. Sorry. So this time you need to write WebDriver dot gecko driver. Okay, gecko dot driver. Okay, and same the path of your executable file. So we have one desktop, right? Okay, so here shift right click, copy as path, and paste it here. Okay, just remove this unwanted extra double quote. Okay, create the object. WebDriver driver. Okay, let's give another name. Okay, so we have already used the driver variable name here, so it may give you the error. And new. Okay, so new keyword we are using, okay, to create the object. Okay, every time when you need to create the object of any class, you will use the new keyword. Okay, so this we are going to see in detail in our Java session. Okay, so for Firefox driver, you need to write WebDriver driver to equal to new Firefox driver. Okay, this is the implementation class name. Just you need to import this. Okay, so similar to Chrome driver, we have imported the Firefox driver. Okay, it has already imported and it is coming from the jar files. Just we have added. Okay, so let's open Firefox browser. So to open any URL, okay, you want to use get. Let's say this time we will open the Facebook site. Let's say Facebook. Okay, so we will be opening this website. Okay, so we will use this Ctrl+C. Okay, they have got quit driver 2 dot quit. Okay, save it. Let's run again. Okay, so it has invoked Chrome browser. Okay, Selenium HBORG. Now Firefox browser, Facebook.com. Okay, so both the windows closed automatically. Okay, so this script is working. Okay, so this is what we have done. We created one Java project, okay, and we added the Selenium library jar files, and we have invoked Chrome browser and Firefox browser. Okay, so this is the Java project. Okay, so now we will see same thing but in Maven project. Okay, so let's create one Maven project and let's see what is the difference between these two. So for that, just go to file, go to new. Maven is not here, don't worry, just click on other. Okay, so you can see here Maven project. Just click on that, click on next, check this checkbox, click on next, Okay, we need to give artifact ID and group ID. So artifact ID can be your project name, Selenium underscore, let's say Maven. Okay, it's a Maven project, and group ID can be let's say Maven. Okay, so click on finish. So on left hand side you can see Maven project has been created. So you can see here the difference. Okay, this is the Java project. You can see the J symbol. Okay, and here you can see the yum symbol. So yum means it is a Maven project. Okay, and what else? Let's see the difference. Let's open this. Okay, we have JRE files. Here also we have JRE library already included. We have one source folder in Java project. We have a couple of more, these are folders. Okay, and they are very useful while creating the Maven Selenium framework. Okay, we are going to use all these fours. So as of now, let's see, these are the folders, same as SRC. And one more difference. Okay, this is the big difference between Java project and Maven project. Maven project give you one XML file, POM.XML. okay, it is very useful. So let's open this, what exactly they are in the POM.XML. okay, so it contains some project information, the version number, and the group ID that we have given, project name. Okay, so here in this POM.XML in Java project, as we added this library jar files, okay, externally, okay, we downloaded it from Selenium official website, and then we included, okay, we downloaded it, okay, we extracted it, and then we went to project, add external jars, okay, build path, external jars. Okay, so a couple of things we need to do this setup. Okay, so that Eclipse will identify the Selenium script. But in Selenium Maven project, what you have to do is we have to add only dependencies. Okay, so dependencies, nothing but it will automatically download the jar files. Okay, all you have to do is give the dependency some 4 lines of code, not the code, the lines you have to write. Okay, so let's see how you can download the dependency. So we are going to download this Selenium Java 3.14159, but as a dependency. Let's click on Selenium dependency. Okay, so all these dependencies are available on this official website, mavenrepository.com. okay, so this is the official website of Maven, where you can find all the dependencies available. Okay, so in future we are going to use TestNG framework, we are going to use extend reports, Apache POM.XML. okay, so many hundreds of jar files we will be required. So it is not feasible. Okay, you have created a Java project and you are every time you are adding those jar files externally, so there are chances of file get corrupted, or due to that your Selenium script will stop working, and it will be hard how to find it, like which files is missing or which file is corrupted. Okay, it is never recommended. Okay, when you are creating any automation framework, we always go for a Maven. Okay, and Maven, you just have to add the dependency, and Maven will take care of that. It will automatically download all the jar files required. Okay, so no file will be missing. Okay, and all those will be saved in our Eclipse workspace. Okay, so there is no chances of missing any file, and it is very easy for adding dependency. Just go, okay, Selenium, we write down, as we need a Selenium dependency, we just Google it, Selenium dependency, and from this official website we can download this to Selenium Java. Just click on that, and okay, there are the different version. Okay, 3.1459, this is the one we are going to download, and the 4 is in alpha stage. Okay, Selenium 4 so we are not going to use it as of now. When stable version comes out, we can use it. So as of now we will be using the 3.1459, similar to our Java project. So after click on that, scroll down, and you can see here these 4 lines you have to add in your POM.XML. Okay, just copy and paste. Okay, so and you have to add it under the dependency tag. Okay, dependencies tag. Okay, it's X. Okay, so we have added one dependency, Selenium Java 3.141.59, and it will, okay, once you click on Ctrl S, okay, once you save it, it will automatically download the jar files. Okay, now it will automatically link to your Maven project. Okay, no need to add external jars and add it like Java project. Okay, let's see, Ctrl S. Okay, so on left hand side you can see one more library, the Maven dependency is created, and you can see, let's expand it. So you can see here all the jar files, all the required jar files for your project to run properly. They are already included, okay, in your project. Okay, and this will be in your saved in your workspace, where your project data is being saved on your local machine. They are stored properly. Okay, so no need to worry about any file is missing or corrupted. Okay, so in future you get a stable version. Okay, let's see, we got 4th version of this Selenium, and we will just go there, and okay, all the lines will be similar. So we will just copy this line and paste it. We will remove this and paste it here, so it will remove jar files, or all the jar files from here, and it will download the latest one. Okay, so it is very easy for managing your jar files. Okay, it makes very easy, and updating the jar files also very easy. Let's download one more dependencies. One more dependency, that is Selenium server. I think this also we should include. Okay, always make sure you added these two. Okay, so your Selenium script will run properly. Just Ctrl C and paste it here. Okay, and Ctrl S. Okay, so it has included some more jar files. Okay, okay, let's run. Okay, let's open the Chrome and Firefox browser. Okay, whatever we have done in our Java project, we will copy. Let's first create one package. Browsers, finish, and copy. Okay, so as of now I am just copying it. When you are doing, always write a separate code. Just add a class in that, and then write the lines as well. So it will a good practice to write all these lines again. Okay, we will see if it's running or not. Same lines of code we are just opening as a part of Maven project. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Okay, it is opening the Chrome browser. Mhm. Okay, it will print the current URL and then it will open Firefox facebook.com. So it will close both the windows. Okay, so you can see it's working. Selenium script is working fine. So this is the main difference. Okay, so we are going to see Selenium Java project that we have seen. We have invoked Chrome and Firefox browser as a part of Java project. Then we have created one Maven project, and I hope you have got the difference. Okay, the major difference is the POM.XML file. Okay, we are doing a good dependencies management over here. Just add it, it will automatically download the Maven dependencies, means jar files. No need to worry about adding those as a external jars every time. Okay, so in future you need a test engine files, so you can write test ng dependency. Okay, again it will take you to the Maven repository. Okay, so Maven repository is a central repository where they have whatever the test ng is developed by test ng peoples. Okay, Selenium is developed by Selenium peoples. Okay, so they have given the path, okay, to their dependencies, their jar files. So all you have to just click on origin name that you want to download and paste these four lines in your POM.XML. Okay, so it will download test ng related jar files as well. So it is very easy very easy. So I have covered as of now. We have seen the main difference and we have seen how you can open the browsers. Okay, for opening browsers you have to give the correct path of the driver executable file. Okay, if you if you by mistake give a wrong path, it won't be able to open the browser. Okay, and as of now we have seen only 2 to 3 methods. There's more methods that WebDriver provides us. Driver dot manage window dot maximize. Okay, so all this it will maximize your window. So as of now you can see Chrome is opening in with a small window. So if you want to maximize that window, you can use this method, maximize. Okay, so in coming videos we will see more methods and how to use it. Okay, so many things we are going to see in coming. Okay, so I am covering basic things. Okay, if you are new to the Selenium, so we have seen in session 1, session 2 about the Eclipse installation, GR installation. Also keep in mind the history about the Selenium, and then we have seen this why we are going to use the Selenium Maven. Okay, so most of the time people directly start working on Selenium Maven, but they don't tell that why we are using the Selenium Maven, as Eclipse is provided with the by default option as a Java project. So why we are creating the Maven? What is the basic advantage in that Maven? Okay, so do some practice opening this browser, going to some URL. Okay, so it will help you in coming videos as we are going to explore more things. One basic step is done. So before starting with the Selenium framework, I am going to create some Java related videos where I am going to explain about the Java concept. Okay, we will go to the basic concept of the Java, the OOPS concept, which are required for your Selenium framework designing. Okay, so never go to directly Selenium Maven automation framework designing. Okay, you won't understand anything. Okay, just go see the Java videos first. Okay, learn the Java as much as you can, and then only go to framework part. Okay, it will be helpful and it will be easy then. Okay, Selenium is not that hard once you learn the Java concept properly. Okay, if you are good in Java, then Selenium will be a good thing, easy thing to learn, and it will be very fun and interesting part. So I'm going to prepare some Java stuff. Okay, using that stuff we are going to create one Selenium framework. So I will be uploading those Java videos in coming days. Just go and see those videos before start with the Selenium. So for this video, that's it. I hope you understand whatever I told in this video. So still, if you have any question or query, you can drop me an email on ageautomation09@gmail.com. okay, if you like this video, you can comment and subscribe to the channel. Okay, many videos, very useful videos are going to come, okay, on this channel. Okay, I have started with in the beginning I don't also have any prior knowledge about the automation, so the things that I followed, okay, the steps I followed, I am going to teach in that manner only, so it will be easy for you, okay, to learn Selenium quickly. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, see you in next video. Thank you.